With Prohibition's high death toll, it may be hard to believe that the cannabis plant has never killed a single person. In fact, researchers at Harvard University and elsewhere say that cannabis cuts lung cancer tumor growth in half. Other studies show that cannabis cannot give you lung cancer or other tobacco-related diseases. Cannabis relieves muscle tightness and the pain of multiple sclerosis. It helps cancer and AIDS patients with nausea. Cannabis may fight Alzheimer's disease. The plant's medical uses are extremely expansive, also helping glaucoma, epilepsy, arthritis, anxiety, depression, and pain. Despite this, only about 4,000 Canadians have been given access to medical cannabis because of the amount of bureaucratic red tape and small percentage of doctors willing to prescribe it. Tobacco, conversely, kills about 47,000 Canadians every year, according to Health Canada, while alcohol kills about 6,700. Thousands of Canadians also die from prescription drugs, caffeine, and Tylenol every year.